guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mystery box from Jeffree Star, and I feel like this has been like the recent theme of my channel is mystery box. I like them. I hope you guys like them. I also have on my hamburger t-shirt because I just got home from a long day and I'm like, what is this? But I was really excited to open this. I was going to combine and do both boxes in one video. So if you would have preferred that, I am sorry. That was my plan. But I got this one last night, but I already had a video going up. And then my other one is just like floating out in space. It says delivery by tomorrow, but it's still in like California. So I don't know how that's possible. But because of that reason, I did want to go ahead and unbox it. And my camera battery is about to die. So let's see if we can get through this before I have to charge my camera. So this is the box right here. This is the deluxe size, which was $40. So we're gonna dive in really quick and see what we got. We're in some nice wrapping here. First thing on top I see is a pop socket. This one is red. Red is like a color that I love it in a lipstick, but I'm not really a red person otherwise. Let me start by saying I am going to do a giveaway in this video, so be sure to check that out. Stay till the end, I'll tell you how to enter and all that good stuff. So the first thing going in there is this pop socket because I am likely to get the exact same pop socket tomorrow or the next day when I get my other box. But also red is not my favorite, and I do have the black one that I got in my previous Jeffree Star box, so this is going in the giveaway for sure. And then these are the items here. Let's go ahead and get to the obvious thing, which is the Skin Frost inside. This is the original Skin Frost, not the Supreme. I think I'll get a Supreme in the other box. I'm not sure, which those I'm excited about. These, I have to be honest, are not like my favorite formula. I know, boo hiss, a lot of people like them, but I'm excited about those Supreme Frost, so we're gonna see. And the unfortunate thing is I'm getting all like the really weird colors. Don't get me wrong, I'm sure that this is pretty and it's unique, but this is the shade I got. So this is Deep Freeze. I do think it looks really cool. Don't get me wrong, like this is crazy looking. So I am gonna swatch it. I mean, you have to admit, that's really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I am going to use it. So obviously, as a true highlight on me, that's going to look pretty funky, but for a specific look, who knows? I will wear this on the eye, and yes, I got a comment last time that says you can't use those on the eyes. They're not eye safe. It's going to stain your lids. I mean, honestly, most bright colors are going to stain your lids. The other one was bright pink. That's why. Let me clarify that. So it doesn't say anything about it being eye safe, but I'm probably going to put it on my eyes. I mean, really, should you be putting powder all over your eyelids? Maybe not, but we're going to do it, right? So, you know, if you want to hate me for that, fine. But I will probably put this on the eyelid because look at that. Like, that's pretty. I don't know how else I would wear it other than like for like a really crazy look. I actually think it would be fun to do like a contour with this for like some really artistic editorial type of look. But that's neither here nor there. That's the color that I got. I mean, look at that. How do you not want to put that on your eyelids? Don't do what I do. I'm saying that I will probably put it on my eyes, but if you do not feel comfortable and do not feel safe, please don't do that, and don't, you know, don't follow me just because I did it. Not that you would. Anyway, the next thing I have is a lip ammo in the shade Starfish, and it's lip ammunition. I always say ammo, but it's ammunition. And so this is their regular bullet style lipstick. That's the packaging there. And the color Starfish is actually really cute. I should have actually waited and put this on. That's what it looks like. There is the color Starfish. Really pretty. I love this. I'll definitely wear this. And this is an item that I do not have. So unfortunately, I got 3 velour liquid lipsticks and I have all 3 shades. I've got Triggered, Can't Relate, and Watermelon Soda. So I'm gonna grab those, the ones that I actually have, and swatch them for you. Okay, so here are the 3 shades. This is Watermelon Soda, Triggered, and Can't Relate. So those are the 3. This is the packaging of those. These are the ones that I've had and already used and swatched. The other ones are going to stay securely in the box. So overall, this box to me is just kind of, you know what I mean? If they had been colors I didn't have, I'd probably be like super excited, but I feel like this is a good kind of compilation of products. Overall, 5 full-size products is really not bad. You could literally not even get 3 liquid lipsticks for 40 bucks, so that's a good deal. So let me know, what do you think about this little box? I'm definitely excited for the bigger one because I feel like it's going to get a little bit more bang for your buck there. So if you want to be entered to win these 4 items right here, you have to do a couple of things. things. It will be listed below as well. Of course, you must be subscribed to my channel. That should be a given. And make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Also, comment down below and let me know what your favorite item in the box was. Now, the Gleam link listed below, you will have to complete in order to be entered. It's just going to make sure that, number one, you are subscribed to my channel. I will be checking for the comment, however, so make sure you do that part. And then if you would like to, Gleam will give you a ton of other options to kind of like check off as other entries. So it can be as simply as subscribing to me. It can be following me on Instagram, looking at a post, watching a video. So it gives me a ton of entries, so it's really randomized, and then it will randomly pick a winner for me. Sorry, I know some people don't like that option, but it definitely works best for me, and I love getting to see all of your guys' comments down below as well. So that's it. If that doesn't make sense, check the down bar and it will tell you everything that you have to do to order to enter. Stay tuned for my next unboxing too. I have a feeling that there's probably going to be things in there that I already have, because I do have several Jeffree Star products, and in that instance I will have another separate giveaway in that video, giving away all the products in that box that I don't feel like I'm going to get use out of, or if they're duplicates or things like that. So that is all. Thank you guys so much. We do have one more little thing to take care of, and that is our dad joke of the day. So I told you guys in my last video that this was going to be a thing. We did a dad joke of the day the very first time in yesterday's video. So here's the dad joke of the day. Is this pool safe for driving? It deep ends. That one's pretty bad. So if you want to screenshot, you can take a look at this dad joke and share it with your friends. This one's pretty awful. Yesterday was much funnier, I feel like. So go check out yesterday's video if you haven't seen that. I'm gonna put these in the box. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to do that now. That will make the Gleam entry much, much easier. You will just get an email and get all those entries. And don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite product in my mystery box was. And also let me know what your thoughts are if you're keen to like let me know what you think about the box. I'm definitely always interested in your opinions on it. So overall, I'm pretty pleased, but I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hello guys. Oh wait a minute. I need something on my lips. Hi guys, woke up. That is my deluxe mystery box. I hope that's right. Or is it the premium one? I hope I'm saying the right one. Oh dear.